if you were one of the many hundreds of thousands that watched our live anniversary show Wednesday night, you know, toward the end of it, well, toward the end, it was right at the end. We couldn't play a special video that we really wanted to play right at the end of the show. So we're going to start today's show off with that video. You ready? Here you go.
Wheels on the blacktop, morning dew still clinging. Coffee in the thermos, hear that diesel singing. The map's got no answers, just a dotted line. But the road's wide open, and the day feels fine. Life is short, make it sweet, feel the wind, taste the heat. Every mile's a memory, every turn's a treasure. It's all part of the adventure. Mountains in the mirror, desert skies ahead. Home's where we park it, that's what Lori said. Tom's got the firewood and the stories to share. Underneath the stars, no worries, no cares. Life is short, make it sweet, feel the wind, taste the heat. Every mile's a memory, every turn's a treasure. It's all part of the adventure. From the Rockies to the bayou, the redwoods to the sand, every hand in hand moment feels just like a promised land. It's not the destination, it's the laughter and the ride. With you by my side, it's a dream magnified. Life is short, make it sweet, feel the wind, taste the heat. Every mile's a memory, every turn's a treasure. It's all part of the adventure. From the Rockies to the bayou, the redwoods to the sand, every hand in hand moment feels just like a promised land. It's not the destination, it's the laughter and the ride. With you by my side, it's a dream magnified. Life is short, make it sweet, feel the wind, taste the heat. Every mile's a memory, every turn's a treasure. It's all part of the adventure.
See why we wanted to play that for you at the end? Kind of fun, huh? All right, well, let's start Saturday. Here we go. Happy Saturday.
Morning.
Love you. Good morning.
Cheers.
I love you.
Love you.
Cheers, everybody. Happy Saturday. September 25th, 27th, 2025. Are you sure it's the right date?
I'm just trying to process all those numbers you said.
Saturday, September 27th, the year 2025.
There it is.
Let me make sure that's the right date. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Woo!
How y'all doing?
How is everybody? Oh, goodness. Well, birthdays and anniversaries today.
Oh, a special one today.
Well, they're all special.
Wow.
But today is Candace Kelly's birthday.
Happy birthday, Candace.
We miss you guys, and we're hoping we see you.
Yep.
Coming
not too far down the road here.
Yeah. We hope. Alrighty, and then on Monday
Holy moly.
Joanne Tardif's birthday. Happy birthday, Joanne.
Joanne.
We sure miss you guys.
Happy birthday.
All right, well, last Saturday after we chatted with you, we had a very full, busy day.
Holy moly. That's not even saying what happened.
So, we've mentioned previously the past several weeks that I've been going over to Mom's and helping her pack because she was moving in with my brother. So Saturday was the day to get Mom all moved up to the house, and it's an hour drive from her apartment up to the house. And we got 99% of it done, don't you think? 90% maybe of everything moved up there, got her somewhat settled. And but But there were still some stuff left. There we had a carload of stuff, and
We had more than one carload of stuff.
Oh yeah, we had a carload of stuff. My brother filled this great big trailer. He has like a car toting trailer.
I am still in awe and amazed that a single senior person who lives in basically a little one-bedroom
It was just a studio apartment.
can have so much stuff hidden in nooks and crannies everywhere. And I am so thankful that you have learned how to downsize. And we live in this 399 square foot box for the past 10 years. And we downsize every year.
Every year, yeah.
And I don't think we have as much stuff in there between the two of us as your mom had in her apartment.
True.
Holy moly.
That's true. Yep. So.
But hey, we got it done.
We got it done. Well, we had to finish later on, but we'll get to that.
We got it done.
Saturday got her up there and
we had some nice
settled in her room.
Funny jokes during the whole situation.
Yeah, with my brother. My poor brother. He's like, oh, what have I got myself into?
Oh, boy.
Yep. So Sunday, we definitely needed a rest day. Mm-hmm. So we went over to our daughter and son-in-law's, and we just all sat on the couch,
Watched
ate some
football.
delicious food.
Yep.
The whole, and it was Jolene, Scott, or Max was in between Jolene and Scott. Then it was you and Alex and me. And we were all on this huge couch, and we ate delicious brunch. She had made some. Oh my gosh, the quiche was just crazy good. And my daughter's an amazing cook and a baker.
Yeah.
So.
But that was fun.
It was. We watched the football game and just relaxed.
Yeah.
We really needed it.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Woof.
So then on Monday.
Oh boy.
We had to go get the rest of Mom's apartment. Stuff that we just all got tired, and since we had the hour drive, plus we had to unload everything, we didn't spend the whole day at the apartment. So Tom and I went back and we packed up the rest of Mom's stuff. Well, what we thought was the rest of Mom's stuff. And pretty much the rest of it. And we cleaned. You scrubbed down the kitchen. I did the bathroom closet area. It was a big room.
And then I did the walls too.
Yeah, we did walls. We did.
We're trying to make it spotless to get her deposit back.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So, and it was funny on Saturday, she kept saying, so when are we going back to clean? And we said, you are not.
You're staying right here.
You just stay here. We'll go clean. Bless her heart, she wanted to try. But with her vision issues, she can't see that good. And it was just easier for Tom and I to go in there and just scrub without Mom piddling around with little things. So she got to just stay at home and keep going through her boxes. And then on Tuesday, I worked, and you went and took the truck.
Yeah, I took the truck back in, and I'll go ahead and say it, to Discount Tire. This is a different Discount Tire location than what I had them installed. These guys, hands down, went above and beyond to make everything right, so everything is now right. And they made it so right and treated me so well that I went ahead and ordered another set of tires for the Kia. So it needs tires, and I had planned on doing it at that other place, but decided to go to a different tire place. But these guys treated me so nice, and they gave me a hell of a deal on a new set of tires for the Kia. So it's like we're going to go back and have those put on probably this next week.
Yep, they need it, and because we like to have that here for Wendy and Kevin to use during the wintertime, we don't want them to have any issues with bad tires, so they'll be good tires, ready for the snow.
And the truck is 100% ready to go.
Knock on wood.
There it is.
Yeah, so Wednesday, we spent most of the day. Well, you have been spending the past few weeks preparing for our live.
The 10-year anniversary show. You know, if you watched it again, if you were one of the many of hundreds of thousands of viewers who watched that show, you saw all the videos that I put up there, and it was tough trying to put them all together, you know, and I just kind of grabbed pictures of people here and there, and I know we missed some.
And we're so sorry if we missed you.
You know what? We'll catch you next year on the 11th anniversary.
Oh my goodness, this is going to become an annual thing. So just getting things ready, we wanted to have everything prepared and ready. Now we know we have a limit on how many videos we can, or even images, right? Because the image of the t-shirts.
That was the problem. I had the videos for StreamYard. If any of you have used StreamYard.
The free version.
The free version. There is a limit. It doesn't tell you until you try to play something. And then it starts it and it stops and it puts a banner up on the top where I can see it. You have exceeded your allotment.
Oops. So anyway,
on
with the show. So we had a blast.
It was fun.
We thank you all so much that came and joined us. Even those of you that did not comment or anything. We know that there were a lot more people.
We do. I mean, you know, there was probably 40 or 50 people that commented, but there was over, I think it was like hundreds and hundreds of thousands of you viewers. It was amazing how many we got.
And that would be amazing. But you know what? We had so much fun with all of you that played along, that commented, that won prizes.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody, for responding back. We've got everybody's addresses now, I believe, and we will get those sent out as soon as we can.
And a very special thank you again to Passport America and to Leisure Coachworks in Fontana, California, for graciously giving us product to give to you guys.
Yes.
You know, we appreciate both of those places.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So if you weren't here for the live, you can still rewatch it. It's up there now, and you can see all the chats and everything. So so go check it out if you didn't catch last Wednesday's.
Yeah, it's a hoot. You're going to need an hour and a half because it's a long one.
Yeah.
But, you know, grab yourself a beverage and some chips or something to munch on. Well, we might have to take this. Tom here. Yes. All right. When do you think we can get that in there? Yeah, today would be fine. Let's shoot for 11 this morning. All right, we'll see you then. Thank you. Okay, bye. Well, there's your Kia tires at 11 o'clock. We're on our way.
You better hurry up. Okay, so we had fun. On Thursday, we went to go finish up at Mom's. We got it all spick and span and everything out of there. So it is ready now. We are done with our part.
Yes, we're done.
Doing all of Mom's stuff.
Oh, trust me. We are done.
We're so tired. We drove everything back all the way back up to Mom's because on the Monday we did not. My brother and sister-in-law stopped by and picked up most of the stuff out of my car, and then we went back with the truck because the Kia was grounded because of its tires. So we got finished with that. So yesterday morning we were past beyond needing groceries, so we ran and did that. Got things kind of put away, and then we got ready to go to our grandson's football game. So we won't talk about the football game.
We'll just say they got blown out.
Not as bad as a few weeks ago. It wasn't as bad.
That's true. They did score a touchdown with less than 30 seconds left in the game. So
anyway, it was fun. It was fun. So so last week's question of the week.
Oh my goodness.
What was it? It was the walk-in song.
Yeah.
What song would you like to hear every time you walked into a room?
And we had so many comments. It's just crazy. And you didn't announce yours. I didn't announce mine. Should I do mine first?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay. You want to know what my song is that I want to hear every time I walk into a room? Here it is. That's me.
Okay,
And you?
here's mine.
Call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot.
Oh,
Thank you guys for playing along with
playing
that.
along with that. Yep. Okay.
Oh.
Thank you. We always like to thank you for being here. We really appreciate you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and click the bell to get notified whenever we put out a new episode. And we would love it if you'd give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. And of course, share us with people that don't know who we are.
Okay, question of the week. You ready?
Yep.
Here's the new one. Well, this is a good one here. If you could give your 18-year-old self one piece of advice, what would it be?
Ooh.
Okay, think about it hard because there's only one piece of advice. And I know exactly what I would say to myself. Exactly.
I think I know what I would say too.
Okay, let
So-
us know in the comments right now. Go down there. If you could give your 18-year-old self one piece of advice, what would it be?
Yep,
This will be fun.
it will.
We'll reveal next Saturday.
Yeah. So last Wednesday, so What Up Wednesday was actually our live.
Yep.
And then coming up this Wednesday,
It's a question mark.
who knows? Who knows?
Will there even be one?
Hopefully there will be. All right, everybody, you have a wonderful week. Thank you for being here.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.